Start where you are. Magandang araw. Minsan hindi tayo makapagsimula kasi pakiramdam natin hindi pa sapat ang skills o resources o experience natin. Pero the truth is, you don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to start where you are. Hello friends, welcome back to the Voice of Hope podcast series. Kahapon pinag-usapan natin ang value of rest. Today, let's talk about beginnings. Kasi minsan ang pinakamahirap gawin ay yung unang hakbang. Naalala ko nung unang beses akong pumasok sa dubbing studio, kinakabahan talaga ako. Feeling ko hindi ko kayang gawin. Ang daming mas magaling, mas prepared, mas expert. Pero kung hinintay ko pa yung perfect timing, baka hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin nasimulan ang career na yon. Starting small doesn't mean staying small. Yung unang hakbang, kahit maliit, pwedeng magbukas ng pintuan para sa mas malaki. Parang sa podcast na to, nagsimula lang ako sa simpleng test broadcast, pero now, naka-day 7 na tayo. Kung laging iniisip ang what if, hindi ka makakamove. Pero once you start, you give God something to bless and multiply. Zechariah 4:10 says, "Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin." God celebrates the small start. Hindi niya hinihintay maging perfect ka bago ka tawagin. He delights when you take the first step. So kung may dream ka, project, or calling, don't wait until you're ready. Start now and let God shape the journey. So remember this, the best way to begin is to begin. Start where you are. Use what you have and trust God with the rest. Kung na-bless ka sa 7-day series na ito, share it with a friend and subscribe para sa mga susunod pa nating episodes. Here's today's voice-over line. Great stories begin with small faithful steps. Salamat and God bless you.